Hi, this is John with WATI, and this is one of my biggest assets of my house, things that I would use in any place, bedroom, bathroom, in my kitchen, or any in the dining room. I like to keep my spaces clean and that they will smell in a place that you feel comfortable inside of it. And this is the Febreze Air Ocean smell that you can find. It just smells great. So I would just go in any corner of my house, let it spray once, twice, and it does, and the smell stays for a great time. So if you want to combat any odor, bad odor in your house, obviously you gotta clean first. This is not like a superpower that it's just pow, it goes. But at the same time, it's just going to give these little details of a sensitive, but at the same time, soft ocean breeze smell. It just soothes and makes you feel more relaxed and comfortable when you have an option like this from Febreze. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.